What's up, guys? It's me, Trav. I'm just recording myself riding the bike home. Usually I record like other stuff, but I'm just getting out of work. I know the wind is a little bit too much because it's like windy out here. You guys can actually hear the wind. So, you know, I'm just riding the bike. I'm in Midtown. Midtown Manhattan. I'm about to stop at this light right here. So yeah, but how's everybody doing? My day was alright. You know, I had to work. I should be having my mask on. But yeah, anyways, yeah, how's everybody doing out there? You know, my day was alright. I'm not gonna say it was the best. I had to work. Woke up late for work today because I just didn't want to get up for work. I was too tired, and also I just didn't feel like going in, so I'll try to get past these guys. Yep, so I finally got off of work, finally getting ready to go home. Trying to live stream, but it's telling me on YouTube that, you know, I have to have 1,000 views. So what I gotta do is just upload it manually and yeah, stuff like that. But anyways, enough about me. You know, it's a nice day today. It was a little bit chilly this morning. Well, it's just fine now. It's just windy. Yesterday it was windy. Stuff like that. So yeah, I was trying to live stream, but couldn't live stream to YouTube, and it sucks because you gotta have 1,000 views, well, 1,000 subscribers to stream to YouTube, but you can upload. But you gotta do that manually from the computer or manually from your phone. So, I mean, I could live stream from my phone, but it doesn't have the quality that I'm looking for. So, that's why I'm just doing the video. Hopefully this actually is clear. I can actually hear myself. Oh, okay, let me pay attention real quick. But anyways, I had to pay attention because I'm in the middle of the street, so, and it's in Midtown, so hopefully we make this light because, you know, people want to ride slow, just take their sweet ass time. Yeah, I'm about to hit Century Park. Like I said, I'm coming from work. Work was alright. Work is work. Tiring. Stuff like that. But you know, it could be worse. You know, good thing it's not raining. Okay, we got a wrong way goer. Okay, so he wasn't gonna slow down. But yeah, I wanted to record myself because you know, basically I don't like record myself like I usually supposed to do, unless I'm doing unboxing videos. But I don't usually do like recording videos just like this, like just me talking and telling people how was my day and stuff like that. But yeah, yeah, but my day was, like I said, and I repeat myself, it was pretty good.